there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn this poppy flower applique into a square motif. And you can use this square motif and make it as big as you like. I only crocheted 2 rows, but you can crochet as many and make it as big as you like. I've already created this poppy pattern in a different video. You'll find the link to the video in the description below, and I'll also put it here on the screen. That video will show you how to make this poppy applique, and in this video I will just show you how to turn it into a square. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I am using double knit yarn in green and the poppy that I've made in a previous video, which is made with double knit yarn as well. Obviously, you can use any yarn you like with a matching hook. I am using a slightly bigger hook than recommended for double knit. It's a 4.5mm crochet, the same hook I use for the poppy. You'll also need scissors and a darning needle to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. So let's start from where we finished the poppy. If you remember from the previous video, we have crocheted this outer layer in the front loops of the circle. That left the back loops exposed, and we will crochet the square into these loops. Now the stitch count around this circle is 24 stitches. And we will divide that in 4 and create our square. So let's join with green, make a slip knot, and then we will work with the poppy facing up. If we just turn and crochet around with it facing down, you will have the wrong side of the square facing up, and that's not a pretty side. You will want this pretty side to face up. So yeah, that's why we are now working with it with the poppy facing down. It's easy. We just fold down the petals to expose the loops, and it will be easy to work. And we will join the yarn in any of the stitches and chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. I will also crochet over the ends so we don't have too many to weave in. Now into the next 4 stitches we will make a double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So including the chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, we have 5 double crochet. Into the next we will create the first of the 4 corners, and to do that we are going to make a double crochet, chain 2, and then a double crochet into the same loop like this, and then into the next 5 stitches we make a 1 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then into the next stitch we make the next corner. So double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet. And this is your repeat section right here. We make 5 double crochet followed by the corner stitches, which is double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and we repeat this 2 more times. So we need 4 more corners. We already did it twice. We need the other 2 sides of the square. So let me show you one more repeat. Okay, so we have 1, 2 double crochet, 3, 4 and 5, and then the corner, which is double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet, and that's one repeat. Now into the last 6 stitches we are going to make again 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and into the last one another corner stitch, which is double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then we join this round by slip stitching at the top chain of the chain 3 we've made at the beginning. And this is your first round. You can see now the square. Now we're just going to build on it. Now the next round is the repeat round, and you can make that round over and over to build up your square as big as you like. I'll just show you this round. The rest is pretty easy. I'll explain it as we go. So now we are going to chain 3 again, counts as a double crochet, and then we crochet a double crochet on top of every single double crochet that we have. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now once you crochet into the last double crochet, we create the corner stitches into this chain 2 space. This is different, it's a different corner than the previous one. In this one we do 2 double crochet, then we chain 2, and then we make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, and this is your corner. This will form the corner. Now we're going into the next side of the square. This has 7 double crochet, so we will double crochet in each, 7 double crochet. When we reach the corner, we make again this corner. So let me show you this. You repeat this on each of the sides. I'll just show you this side, and then you repeat it 2 more times. Okay, so double crochet into the next 7 stitches, and then once you reach, like I said, the chain 2 space, we will make our corner stitches. Okay, so we have 7 double crochet. Now we make the corner, which is 2 double crochet in that chain 2 space, then chain 2, and into the same chain space we make 2 more double crochet. Okay, and this is how one side looks like. I'll show you from the back. Now we repeat this section on these 2 sides. 7 double crochet followed by the corner stitches, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space below. I will finish this off camera, and then I'll come back and explain to you how to make this square as big as you like. Now I've crocheted on all the sides, and I've reached the last corner. Now remember, at the beginning we made a chain 1 and 5 double crochet. We need to have 7, so we have 1 more stitch here where we need to make a double crochet, and then we can close the round by slip stitching in the top chain of the chain 3. And our second round of the square is complete, and this is where I've stopped because I like the way this tiny square looks like. Obviously you can make it as big as you like, and the formula for this is you double crochet in every single double crochet in the previous round. So if you have 8, then you make 8 double crochet. If you have 11, you make 11. No matter how many double crochet you have below, you count them and you make that many double crochet on top. Once you reach the chain 2 space, you make your corner stitches, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and you do that 4 times on each side of the square, and you can grow this square. You can even make it as big as a blanket, baby blanket, whatever you like. I will stop here. I hope my tutorial was easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, I'm more than happy to help you. Put them in the questions in the comments below and I will answer them. Happy crocheting!